Subscriber counts do not matter. There, I've said it. I've been saying it for years, and this YouTube update proves it. So in the YouTube studio, you want to head on over to Analytics, go to Audience, and we start the update with Monthly Audience. It's also available in exactly the same place on the Studio mobile app, which is quite handy. To be clear what this is, it shows the total unique viewers who watch your content in the last 28 days. And this figure doesn't actually change if you adjust the timeline. You might select 90 days, but it will always show the last 28 days of monthly audience. However, if you select an individual month, it will adjust to that month's audience total. Now, it looks like YouTube have been tracking this specific data since March of 2024. And this is where I'm preempting a question you probably have. It almost looks as if our monthly audience is growing in line with our subscriber count. And I will admit that these numbers look perfectly aligned, but don't let the subscriber count fool you, because 86% of our views come from non-subscribers. But you may also be wondering why these two numbers don't match up. Don't worry, we'll get back to that. To give you a bit of an extreme example, here's my old tech channel with 117,000 subscribers that I haven't touched in over 5 years. And this is the monthly audience count that continues to decline as I leave the channel in a mothballed state. Do you see what I mean now? A channel subscriber count has never been a reliable indicator of channel health, because a subscription doesn't guarantee views in perpetuity. It doesn't even guarantee a single view. So let me now throw this out to you. How many subscribers do you have, and how many monthly views do you have? Share your data in the comments below. And just imagine for a second if YouTube decided to show monthly views instead of subscriber counts. Yeah, I don't know if that would be a good thing or a bad thing, to be honest. More accurate, but probably a lot more stressful for creators. Anyway, monthly audience. It's not exactly a new metric. It just used to be expressed in a different way called unique viewers. So is this actually an update? Yes. Yes, it is. Here's why. On the audience screen, if you scroll down, you'll see this new breakdown of viewer behavior, which shows you new viewers who are watching your channel for the first time, casual viewers who have watched your channel in the last 12 months but not that frequently, and then regular viewers who have watched your content for more than 6 months in the last year. Now, if you click into the advanced mode, you can see just how powerful regular viewers are. On our channel, they watch content for twice as long as new viewers, and they watch a lot more videos in total. That is why your monthly channel views are different to your monthly audience. It's because these unique viewers are watching more than one video on a channel, especially when they're regular viewers. This is why here at vidIQ, we're constantly banging on about being consistent with your audience, making it easy for them to move from one video to the next, giving them value, cultivating trust and loyalty, creating an unforgettable experience that can't easily be replaced. This demonstrates that not all views are created equal, and you want to take them on a journey from discovering your content to making your videos an indispensable part of their YouTube experience. And we're not done yet, because right next to the audience watch behavior panel is another new panel that shows you specifically what videos the different types of viewers are watching. This can help you decide what type of discovery content to make to attract new viewers, what community style content to create to keep viewers engaged, and yes, to figure out that new viewers watch shorts, but regular viewers watch long form videos. Now, I am very conscious of the fact that whenever YouTube releases a new metric, everybody wants to know what's a good number, especially when it comes to percentages. And the honest truth is right now, I don't know. If your audience behavior is dominated by new viewers, then you'll be forever stuck on the viral treadmill, desperately searching for the next big hit, only to have to do it again next month. On the other hand, if you're only keeping your regular viewers engaged, you're potentially too niche and difficult to get discovered. I guess what each creator is looking for is that perfect balance of getting your content seen by viewers and then taking them on a journey that turns them into superfans. As for now, this is all a little bit of guesswork as I get familiar with these new metrics that, as far as I'm aware, completely replace the new and returning viewers graph that we used to see in the audience tab. My first impressions? Yeah, I think this one's better. Whatever the specifics of this new monthly audience metric are, ultimately, I do think it proves one thing once and for all. Your goal as a content creator should not be to get the viewer to subscribe to your channel. Instead, it should be to get the viewer to watch another one of your videos. That's how you build a loyal following that are your true subscribers in all but name.